Welcome to PPT Journeys. So today we are going to learn how to create another fantasy composite using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So today in this fantasy composite, I have also added some animations. So for that, first of all, we need this image. So I'm going to use this image that I have taken from Pixabay. Okay, now here I have this image of a moon. Okay, and here I have one image of a jellyfish. Okay, so today I am going to teach you another way by which we can remove the background from any image. So let's begin. So here I found the site remove.bg. So it's very easy. There is one option that is known as upload image. So I'm going to click on this upload image. Okay. So I have going to upload this picture one, the image of this jellyfish. Okay, so as you can see, now I am going to download it. Okay, and then just press the enter key to save it. In this picture, when I am going to insert the same image, so I'll go to the picture option, I'll go to this device. And in this device, when I am going to insert this image, so you can see there is no background. The background is removed. So it's very easy. So in my previous picture, I have used the same jellyfish thrice. So I'm going to press Ctrl D to copy it. Okay, and let's tilt it like this. Reduce its size. And let's place it over here. Press Ctrl D to make another copy, and let's bring it here, and let's reduce its size a little bit more. Okay, and let's place it over here. Now in the next step, I am going to take this moon. So here let's take this moon, press Ctrl C. Okay, and let's go to our slide. Let's press Ctrl V. Okay, and let's place it here. And now in the picture option, I'm going to crop this image. So let's crop it till here. All right, and crop. Now here I will go to the picture effect, and in the glow option, I am going to select this kind of glow. Okay, again I will go to the picture effect. I will go to the soft edge, and I am going to select either this or this one. Okay, it's your preference. I will go for 5 points. Now I am going to place this jellyfish over here, and let's reduce its size so that so here let's adjust like this, and for the same jellyfish also we can give some picture effect, we can give some glow like this. Let's reduce its size a little bit more and then shift it like this. All right, perfect. Now let's give some animations. So first of all, let's take this jellyfish. Okay, and we'll go to the animations tab, and in the animation tab I'm going to click on the drop down menu. I'm going to select the custom path, and in the custom path I am going to select the curve. So I will click here from here. Okay, all right, fine. So let's zoom out a little bit and let's take it till here. Now in the next step, let's give the duration to 18 seconds. Let's open the animation pane here, and in the animation pane, in the drop down menu, select the start with the previous effect. Alright, fine. Now similar animation we are going to give to the another jellyfish also. So go to the drop down menu of the animations, the same custom path, in the effect options, select the curve path, and let's give a path to this jellyfish as well. Alright, for this jellyfish I am going to give 10 seconds. Okay, and again for it also it is going to start with previous. Okay, so now in the next step I am going to insert some oval shapes. So let's insert an oval. Alright, and to this oval I am going to give the shape outline to be the no outline, and shape fill is going to be white, and shape effect in the glow option is going to be this glow. Alright, now let's give it some animation. So animation is going to be the simple line animation. Okay, but now here we are going to bring this red point till here. Okay, and here I am going to delay it by just 0.25 seconds. And sorry, first of all we have to give start with previous, then delay it by 0.25 seconds. Okay, and in the effect options, in the timings, repeat until end of slide, and then press OK button. Alright, so as we can see that the size of this oval is little big. Let's reduce its size. Alright, fine. Now press Ctrl D to make the exact copy, and let's shift it at a random place like this. Again press Ctrl D, again press Ctrl D, again press Ctrl D, and here this time I'm going to take it. Okay, so here alright, so now if you want, you can just move these points here and there so that they crosses their path. Okay, like this. And for this also, let's move it till here. And for the last one, it's quite far away. So let's select this one. Now in the next step, so it is delayed by 0.25 second. Let's delay it by 0.75, some by 0.5, and like this. Randomly, we can just delay them so that each and every circle is starting at a different time. Okay, now I am going to select them all, and duration is going to be for 0.75 seconds only. Alright, and let's select them all at once and press the Ctrl D to make the exact copy. Alright, so now let's have a final preview for the current slide. Okay, so now we can move some of the circles to the backwards. Okay, so for that we will go to the shape format tab, and in the shape format tab send them backward. Now let's have a preview one more time. Alright, now it is better. Beautiful.